All right, so I already dug into it. It's me, Mr. Wrench, right back at it. So another car for the day. We are doing a water pump on a 2016 Toyota Corolla. And what the problem was, it was making a loud noise. And as you can see, maybe you can see this. You hear it? The bearings in the water pump are bad, making a lot of noise, chattering. So we're gonna rip this thing out, put it back together, new water pump. So I've already taken it apart. Basically, starting off, you have the tensioner for the alternator, so you have to loosen this bolt right here first, 12 millimeter. You loosen this one up, 12 millimeter. Then you loosen this one up, 12 millimeter, to loosen the alternator. Push the alternator this way to take the tension off the belt. Remove the belt. Then start taking the bolts loose off of the water pump. I already drained the radiator, so what you can do is drain the radiator first. The fluid is still going to come out of the water pump area, but you can drain the radiator first and then go ahead, dig in the job. I'll be back once I'm putting it back together. Like and follow and subscribe for more.